In today's session, we are going to discuss which books are to be read to prepare for HSTR Chemistry and Biology. Okay, so by the end of this session, we will be knowing the best books which we can use to prepare for HSTR Chemistry and Biology. Please do subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed it. Like our video class and also share it with your friends who are CB method aspirants for more such video classes. Okay, so let us start our discussion. Now this is the PDF file of HSTR 2015 syllabus. Because the notification is yet to come, we are believing that this will be the syllabus for HSTR even this time also, because there is not much to change actually. Maybe they will add a few more things if they really want to do so, but then there is no need of changing this syllabus, because this syllabus is very much satisfying the criteria for a high school teacher recruitment. Okay, so I strongly believe that the syllabus is not going to change even for 2023 HSTR also. But still, if it changes, it will be only some 5 to 10% changes maximum will be there. Okay, so this syllabus is huge actually. It contains some 56 pages with all subjects. So I have directly come to page number 47, which is the syllabus for chemistry. Okay, actually the syllabus for biological group is chemistry and biology, right? So I directly came to this page number 47 for chemistry syllabus. So what I have done here is actually I have analyzed the entire of your chemistry and biology syllabus by doing so much of research on some books like high school books and PUC books. So I have segregated all the chapters and decided which chapter should be read from which book. Okay, actually this was also demand of many of the aspirants. They were requesting me for this type of a video, so that's why I am doing this session, so that it will be helpful for you all to at least start your preparation. Okay, you can become serious by watching this session, because here I am clearly mentioning you which chapter is to be read from which book. Okay, main important books which are to be required to prepare for HSTR chemistry and biology are firstly class 9th and class 10th ICSE books. Okay, I am not talking about state syllabus, I am not talking about CBSE books, I am talking about ICSE books. Okay, class 9th and class 10th ICSE books, and then class 11th NCERT books, or you can also say that class 11 means PUC first year, right? So in Karnataka we call it as a PUC first year, so it will be Karnataka PUC first year book. Basically the Karnataka PUC first year book provided by Karnataka government is same as the NCERT. They will only change the cover page of the book. Rest book is same, it is NCERT book only. And next are PUC second year books or NCERT class 12 books. And few high school books, maybe of ICSE or maybe state syllabus, this will be required only for 1 or 2 chapters only. Maximum is 60 to 70% portion is from class 11 or PUC first year. Okay, rest portion is from PUC second year book. So let us start the discussion. We will go to that PDF file again. Now here, as I already told you, wherever I have written NCERT 11th, it means that I am talking about PUC first year book. Wherever I have written NCERT 12th, it means that I am talking PUC second year book. Okay, so let us start with the chemistry syllabus first. First chapter is basic concepts of chemistry. This is having a molarity, molality, numerical problems, mole fraction and mass percentage. This is to be prepared from either class 10 ICSE book or NCERT 11th book, means PUC first year book. See, wherever you will find this ICSE 9th or 10th, no, it means that you should be studying that book for getting the basic concepts cleared of that chapter. Wherever you can see this NCERT 11th or NCERT 12th is there, that means PUC first year or PUC second year books are there, that is for the higher level knowledge. Okay, and I cannot assure you whether the questions will come only from class 9th and 10th or only from class 11th and 12th, because if they will ask questions from class 9th and 10th, they will ask tough questions based on the textbook. Means that will be a tough question for a 9th or 10th standard student. Okay, if they will ask a question from NCERT 11th and 12th or PUC first year and second year, it will be a easy question for PUC first year or second year student. Okay, that type of questions will be asked. You get my point, right? See, if they are asking questions from high school books, they will ask tough questions. If they are asking questions from PUC books, they will ask easy questions. Okay, so it depends upon you which book you are choosing. Okay, so I prefer PUC books because we are not taking risk in that matter, right? But then again, we will not go for preparation of IIT, JEE or NEET. Okay, we will not go to so much higher level questions. We will read PUC books. We will just grab the knowledge from the basic concepts, and we will prepare for easy questions from that portion. Okay, or if you are comfortable with high school books, that is also better, but then you will have to go for the next level, means the tougher questions part you have to focus at that time if you are using the high school books. Okay, so basics, concepts of chemistry, even ICSE 10th books are having this portion, and of course PUC first year book though is having only. Okay, anyway, this chapter is freely available in my YouTube channel already. If you want, I can give the link of that class in the description, so you can go and watch that class. Okay, next chapter is structure of an atom. This portion also it is given in ICSE class 9th book. Okay, in that class everything is there. Dalton's theory, fundamental particles, electronic configuration. I think Bohr's theory is not there. Then Rutherford's theory, J.J. Thomson experiment, alpha particle experiment, all this is there. Maximum portion is there. But then that will be a very much basic level. Okay, but then if you come to PUC first year book, entire of the portion is given, and very nicely it is given actually in a PUC first year book. So you can prepare for this chapter from PUC first year book. Okay, I am talking about chemistry textbooks here. Okay, when I talk about ICSE also I am talking about chemistry textbooks, because in ICSE, unlike in CBSE, in ICSE the subjects are divided, means you will find physics, chemistry, biology, maths, separate textbooks will be there. But in CBSE, you will not have separate textbooks, right? You will have one textbook for maths and one textbook for science in CBSE. So I am not at all talking about CBSE high school books here. Okay, I have not at all mentioned anywhere in this session, because you don't need to use them according to me. Okay, for this portion especially for chemistry and biology. So next chapter is classification of elements. Classification of elements also basic idea you will get from ICSE class 9th book, but I would recommend you to prefer NCERT 11th book or PUC first year book for classification of elements. Okay, so this is actually easy chapter. You will get one nice connectivity story between how a periodic table was actually developed, right from its root to the building now it is right now, how it was developed. Okay, this chapter will tell you that story. Next is chemical bonds. Even chemical bonds also, all this ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond, metallic bond, electron C model, ionic compounds, covalent compounds, all this is present in ICSE class 9th chemistry book also. But then these are all only some basic idea is given. But then this is sigma bond, pi bond, hybrid orbitals, VSEPR theory, VBT orbital overlap, hybridization, all this you will find only in 11th book. Okay, PUC first year chemistry book only you will find all this. So better to go for PUC first year book for chemical bonds also. Okay, but then you should remember that you don't need to go for higher level questions. Okay, you should know your constraints. You should know what type of questions you should prepare for. You should know how much knowledge you need to crack HSTR. If you go for higher level, of course it is good thing, you will gain knowledge, but right now you will be at loss because you are here to prepare for HSTR. Ultimately your aim is to get this job, correct? So in spite of wasting time by going to higher level questions, it's better that you make your range only broader. Okay, try to touch all the topics and try to grab the knowledge at least from basic concepts point of view. Okay, next is molecular orbital theory. This though you will find only in NCERT class 11th or PUC first year book, and this is a free class already available in my YouTube channel. I will give the link of this class also, you can watch it. Okay, next is electronic configuration and molecular behavior. This is also present in a PUC first year chemistry book. This is a very small chapter. Just you will have to know what is bond order, what is nature of bond, and what is the meaning of bond length. But then they may ask any tough type of questions from this chapter. See, if the chapter is easy means surely the question which will come in the examination will be tough. If the chapter is tough means surely the question which will come from that chapter, that will be easy. Okay, this you should know. Next is matter. This though some portion we are reading right from primary, right? State of matter, element, compound, mixtures, solutions. This though we are reading right from our primary. But then this anomalous expansion of water, Boyle's law, Charles' law, and applications, all this is there in ICSE 9th textbook also. And of course you will find all of this in NCERT 11th textbook also. But because this is a easy chapter, they may ask some twisted questions. So better to go for NCERT 11th textbook, and I would suggest you to focus on laws. What is Boyle's law, what is Charles' law, and what is Gay-Lussac's law. Try to solve problems based on it also. Okay. Next chapter is chemical reactions. Chemical reactions, some basic idea is given in ICSE class 9th book. But if you want one good stuff, then better go for NCERT class 11 or PUC first year book again. Okay. Next are acids, bases and salts. Actually acids, bases and salts, I would recommend to go only for ICSE 9th textbook. See, when I talk about ICSE books means there may be different publishers, okay, because ICSE books are published by different type of publishers. I am not taking the name of any publisher here, okay, because that will be like an indirect endorsement, and that is also not true that one publisher is very good. For one chapter one publisher is good, it is like that. But what we can do is whichever book we will get, we can read it from that. Okay, of course acid, bases and salts is there in NCERT 11th also, I think, but I prefer ICSE 9th, and it is there in CBSE 10th also, I think. Yeah, it is there in CBSE 10th also. It is up to you because this is a general topic, right? It is up to you where you want to read it from, because here you will not have many higher level questions. Okay, questions are very common which are asked from this chapter. Next, organic chemistry, though of course it is present only in class 11 only. So PUC first year chemistry book will only help you for organic chemistry. Next is chemical properties. For chemical properties, no, substitution reaction, halogenations, combustion, controlled oxidation, and pyrolysis. Till there you will find in class 11th chemistry book. But this Markovnikov's rule, no, this you will find in class 12 book. Okay, you will find this in PUC second year book. So for this chapter you need both PUC first year and second year books. See, if you want NCERT books means no problem. I will give you the link in a Telegram channel also. You can join the Telegram channel. I will tell you how to download this NCERT textbooks. That is not a big problem. But we will not find ICSE books soft copies anywhere. This is very tough actually. Okay, CBSE books you can easily download, NCRT books you can easily download, but ICSE books as it is, they are not present, the soft copies are not present anywhere in the internet. Maybe then you will have to purchase the book, or better option is you find some school children, some school kid, and you borrow books from them. Okay, if they have finished that class means you can borrow it from them, or you can take and you can even Xerox also. It depends upon you what you want to do to find this textbook. It is up to you. Okay, next is a test for unsaturated hydrocarbons. This note till halogenations you will find it in class 11, means PUC first year, but then in halogenations also basic level is there in class 11. Higher level with some complicated structures, no, benzene ring and all will be there, that is coming in 12th. So till halogenations is there in PUC first year. Again it will start in PUC second year from halogenations only. Halogenations, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel Crafts alkylation. Okay, next is the solid state. Solid state though is in class 12th only. Okay, next solutions, this is also in class 12th, means PUC second year textbooks portion is started now. Solid state, solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, all this is there in PUC second year books. Anyway, in electrochemistry, no, the basic things of this electrolysis, Leclanche cell is given in ICSE 10th book also. Okay, then D block though is entirely there in PUC second year textbook only. You will have to read all this from that textbook only. Next, chemicals in our daily life, no, that is a part actually. You will find some part in PUC first year book and some part in PUC second year book. Okay, so this was about chemistry portion. Now let us start with biology portion. In biology, the maximum portion is from PUC first year book only. Means maximum means some 60% portion is from PUC first year book. Okay, like living world is there, life processes in plants, entire thing is there in PUC first year book. Then life process in animals, this is also there in PUC first year book. Then natural resources, actually students who read ICSE, no, means who are in ICSE schools, they have option of selecting some optional subject in high school. So the optional subjects, they may be some environmental applications or computer science or like that. So the kids who choose environmental applications, no, in that subject they are having this portion. It is from class 9 or class 10 sometimes. So this portion is belonging to environmental application or environmental studies, you can say. So natural resources is from that part only. Okay, next food. This chapter is very different actually. This some portion children they have studied in ICSE high school, but then this adulteration of food and test to find out some common adulteration of food, this I think in class 12th they are doing this in practicals, I think. So this maybe we will get in those books. Okay, next is ecology. Ecology again it is also from environmental applications only. Okay, ICSE 10th environmental applications, you will find this portion. Even soil erosion, all this, pollution, water, greenhouse effect, ecosystem, all this is from environmental application. But then these are all very easy and important topics, because very commonly questions come from these portions also. Okay, next is cytology. Cytology, I have seen this in ICSE 8th, 9th books also, and of course it is there in PUC first year book also. Okay, next classification of organisms, it is there in PUC first year book. Entire portion you will find it there. For microorganisms also you will find it in PUC first year book. Next, these two chapters, evolution and human evolution, these two chapters also you will find it in PUC second year books. Next, plant kingdom and this tissues part, this is also there in PUC first year book. Okay, plant kingdom and tissues, animal tissues and plant tissues, you will find it in PUC first year book. Next is genetics. Genetics you will find in ICSE class 10 book also, and you will also find in NCRT 12th book, means PUC second year book also. Okay, See, if you read ICSE 10th book also it is okay, but then you will have to prepare for higher level questions. Okay. Next, tissue culture. This thing, the entire part is from PUC second year only. Tissue culture, biotechnology, this full portion, Western blot, harmful effects and ethical issues. Still there, the portion is from PUC second year. Okay. Next is animal resources. This though we are reading from primary, right? So I cannot say from which textbook exactly it is there, but you will find it in primary to high school books. Okay. So this was about your chemistry and biology syllabus, which books to read. Now I think it is clear for you all. So now this makes sense, right? After discussion, it makes sense that we need to have ICSE class 9th and 10th books, PUC first year and second year books, and few here and there we will need high school books also. Okay. So this was about your syllabus, which are the best books to read. Now we have them. Now coming to another topic which has become really one big issue for me, that is HSTR CB course paid classes. There are few aspirants who are insisting to take paid classes, but then the problem is the strength of CB aspirants is very less when compared to physics and maths aspirants. So this has become an issue for me, because first though many of you have not joined a Telegram channel. So please join the Telegram channel. I will give the link of this Telegram channel in the description, because I am conducting a poll there where I am asking whether you are interested to join the paid classes. If I conduct, I will have to take fee of rupees 5,000. The main reason for this, as I told you, is the number of aspirants in CB method are less when compared to PM. But then my financial expenses cannot be covered, right? That is the main problem. In order to cover the financial expenses, I will have to take the fee of rupees 5,000, which is minimal actually if you compare it with the financial expenses which occur in conducting these classes. Okay. Another point is that there is now less time actually. In some limited period of time, I will have to complete the entire portion of chemistry and biology, which is not easy. Okay. And also biology is not my subject also, right? I will have to work hard more. I will have to take help from someone. Then only I will be able to conduct these classes. So if CB aspirants understand my problem and try to cooperate with me, then only I will be able to help. Correct? So it will be possible for me to conduct these classes if at least 75 to 100 aspirants enroll in this course, or else it will not be possible for me to conduct these classes. Okay. The main reason, as I told you, are the financial expenses. But if this does not happen, in case 75 to 100 aspirants do not poll in Telegram or YouTube, and many aspirants, if they are not ready to join the paid classes, I will also become helpless, right? I will not conduct the classes in that case. In that case, what I will do is, I will try to take free classes till your examination. But then I will not commit how many classes I can be taking, because free classes means I have my choice, right? Whenever I get free time, I will make a class which will be really helpful for CB aspirants, and I will post it in the YouTube channel. Of course, it will be a free class. Okay. I will try to make the classes till your HSTR examination date. Okay. But as I already told you, I will not promise whether I will finish the portion or no, or at least 50% portion will be finished or no. That I don't know. Because whenever I get time from these paid classes, which already I am taking for PM aspirants, after them only I will have to give preference for free classes, right? Still, I will try my best. Okay. So aspirants who are interested to join my classes, don't get disappointed, because you all are very few. Okay. Other aspirants, they are not cooperating, and they are not ready to join the paid classes because they feel that the fee is very high. I have told you my problem. Okay. So the aspirants who are interested to watch my classes need not disappoint, because I will try my best to upload free classes. Even you can write in the comment section which chapter you want first. that also I will take care. Okay, because that is how I used to do in the GPSTR time, right? I know many of the CB aspirants are following me right from GPSTR time. They have topped also. Many aspirants, women also, they have topped, means first rank, second rank, third rank are also there. So you all please don't get disappointed and try to understand my problem. So like I used to do in GPSTR, that I will do in HSTR also. I'll help you all for free only. But then the problem is I can do it only when I get time. Okay then, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to join the Telegram channel, and whatever your problem is, please do write in the comment section, because I am here to help you all. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.